2019 GMC 6.2 liter V8 Denali Sierra. Still got the factory converters. Then it's got a 3-inch pipe all the way back, and we put a Flow FX series FLOWMASTER 3-inch in, 3-inch out. 3-inch pipe all the way back, and then it duals out the back on each side. We kept the resonators on it. He didn't want it too loud, and we kept the front flap right there. If you want it louder, you take that front flap off. There was one in the back that we took out. Comes built in like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is with the FLOWMASTER FX series. If you guys want that muffler, it's in the description. Give me gas? That's not too much, just perfect.
That's perfect right there, man. That's what you want.
That's what you wanted, exactly, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I don't want to work the neighbors up to
Yeah.
pull it off,
You want to hear it, but you don't want it like obnoxious.
I like to listen to my music too.
Yeah.
I want it all up in the cab.
And it's a beautiful truck. You don't want it to sound like, you know? Just enough. Let you guys hear it on the inside.